Welcome everyone, happy to see you again. In this video, we are going to learn about how to select the land for the residential building. Before get into the topic, don't forget to subscribe our channel and get updated. We are doing the following works in online, with good quality and low cost. Interested, kindly contact us. Every human being likes to work and living in a comfortable and pleasant surroundings. And due to the population, buying a land is very expensive. The site for a residential building should present a peaceful environment, good landscape, sun for the most part of the day and uninterrupted flow of natural air. If there are more than alternative sites, the upcoming factors need to be studied in depth, while selecting the site for a residential building. In this phase, we can divide into two types, which is flat and slope. And the slope is having some sub-classifications. Plain sites offers easy marking, excavations, and construction, no leveling is needed. But, drainage becomes a problem and stagnant pools will be formed after a heavy rainfall. Even during dry weather, the effluent of septic tank forms pools, and inviting mosquitoes and other insects which spread diseases. But, the flat surface of the land is preferred for the construction. In slope sub-classification, we can generally divide into three types, which is site or land at higher level, road at higher level, and undulated level in hilly areas. In site at higher level, does not face any problems, rainwater and wastewater flow down. If slopes of site level to road level are utilized properly. In road at higher level, runoff from the road may rush into the site, which is highly unhygienic and leads to health problems. Building construction on undulating ground can be done after leveling. Sometimes split-level construction is carried out, when the fluctuations in undulations are very wide, or the ground is sloping very sharply. Split level is having the different floor levels, and some even having basement floor below. But the construction cost of foundation and the retaining wall will be higher than the usual. The professional engineers must design and construct, because it might easily affect by the differential settlement and increase the cost of construction. We know that the rocky soil will give more strength to carry the loads from the structure. So, the depth and cost of construction will be reduced. In most of the cases, except the water resource areas, will have good bearing capacity, which means the soil having the good strength to carry the loads from the residential buildings. If a well is dug at the site, the potable water will be available at the reasonable depth. This condition have both advantage and disadvantage. Such as, even the potable water in reasonable depth, the foundation of building may affect with the settlement and seepage attack. If water is available in 3 meters from the ground level, we can provide shallow foundation, for good performance and economical service such as street cleaning, fire protection, police. Utilities such as water supply, gas supply, drainage line. Amenities such as school, recreation, hospital, telephone and transport system to main road and railroad should be available in minimum distance from the land. This is one major limitations for some peoples. Before you want to buy the land, kindly think about it. Based on your need for the neighborhood traffic, you can buy the land at some distance. But never be a small fish in big pond. In a vegetation land, subsoil will not have enough strength to carry the loads from the structure. Particularly the foundation of the structure will affect initially due to the differential settlement, and the root of trees will leads to development of crack in the structure. Even though, some small truss with acceptable distance will make cool and pleasant feel on the building. It will reduce the heat, sound from the roads, and pollution too. The given specification of the site is mostly affect the structure and cost of construction. Because, if we are buying a land at low cost, but the facilities and basic needs are in the distant one, then you need to consider some amount for the transportation, and other basic needs for your whole life. That will ultimately increase the cost of living. But you are buying the land in good areas, which we learned previously. Then the cost for peaceful life is minimized with good privacy and safety. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel and keep sharing.